Oh my goodness. Sugar sprinkles, strawberry, Oreo cookie, sugar sprinkles. Those look amazing. Toasted coconut sounds really good. Dark chocolate bacon? How is that?
That's really good.
I love bacon. Caramelized nuts with the bacon? Interesting. Interesting. Aloha! Look what I found! Ooh. There we go. So the cupcake was good, except the icing, a little on the rich side. So you're better off eating it with a spoon or a fork. Nice cold glass of milk. Inside there's like a blueberry filling, so that was good. Let's check the shops. I believe it's 40% off for cast members for 2 more days.